First off, install the roller brush at the bottom of the machine. Align one end of the roller brush with the bayonet. After you insert the roller brush into the bayonet, you can gently turn it to check if it's properly installed. Then use bolts to install the other end of the roller brush. The installation bolts have a reverse thread design. You need to turn them counterclockwise to tighten. After the installation, gently rotate the roller brush to make sure it's properly installed. During daily use, foreign objects can get wrapped around the roller brush. You need to clean it regularly. For some foreign objects that are hard to clean, you can use tools to cut them and then clean up. After the roller brush is installed, fill up with clean water at the filling port of the clean water tank. The clean water filling port has a fine meshed filter screen. It can filter out most of the debris and impurities. Pay attention, the machine can only be powered on after you've filled it with clean water. Otherwise, it might get damaged. Pay attention, the machine can only be plugged into a wall socket. Don't use a household extension cord. Let's take a look at all the control buttons of the machine. First up, there's the roller brush control switch. The roller brush's rotation aids cleaning and makes pushing the machine easier. Next is the cold water spray. On-off switch and spray switch. Turn on the switch to activate the spray function. Then, you need to press and hold either the red or X button to spray cold water. The switch is designed this way to stop you forgetting to turn off the cold water spray. Too much water could lead to problems. Then there's the vacuum control switch. The scraper made of stainless steel is not only sturdy and durable, the powerful suction of the original Amatec motor can easily handle all kinds of wet and dry stains. Next, there's the steam control switch with 3-level cycling. After you flip the start switch, the red indicator light starts flashing, and the machine begins to heat up. For the steam function, a cold start needs about 20 seconds, and a warm start around 5 seconds. When the steam function is working, the temperature is around 80 to 100 degrees Celsius. It won't damage the carpet at all. Hot steam can not only speed up the decomposition of dirt for a better cleaning effect, and hot steam can also do a good job of killing bacteria and viruses. Finally, there's the separate vacuuming function. For the external suction tube, after connecting the external suction tube, set the switch to the external nozzle position, and then turn on the vacuum function. To get the best cleaning results, especially for getting rid of obvious and stubborn stains, we recommend that you be sure to spray the corresponding cleaning agent onto the surface of the dirt before cleaning. Wait for a while until the dirt gets dissolved by the cleaner, then use our cleaning machine to do the cleaning. For the cleaning method, here's our advice. First, turn on the roller brush, cold water spray, vacuum suction, and wet steam functions at the same time. Then, run a second cleaning pass with the roller brush, vacuum, and dry steam to soak up water and hasten drying. When using the machine to clean, we suggest putting the power cord